Nyajong ichone tsikitini cha wonicho tolokong dong Hmong enrichment. Hmong enrichment yo ikosho uyaba khia ke no ka nyajong ko pe mong mo ke va meng simula ya tonde. Hmong enrichment, enriching our lives. Nyajong and welcome to Hmong Enrichment. Hmong Enrichment is a show that will change your life with stories and tips to help you live well, succeed, and stay healthy. In our segment we call Hmong Success, we'll hear a story on a role model in our community. On today's show, Dr. Lee Hurt tells us his story. He is a well-known chiropractor in the Central Valley. Also coming up, a story on diabetes. It's affecting many Hmong people. And stay tuned for a recap on the Hmong on the Rise Concert 2010. When Dr. Lee Hurt opened his clinic in 1996, he met with 30 to 60 patients a day. So he knew he was in the right field, and there was a need for him as a Hmong chiropractor.
Today is going to be exciting. More than a more to so chiropractic excite every day happy call and we can the job on the you're the right profession, the right place, and okay, deeply not sure that she you doctor professional call your patient couple call job to you such you the husband you play the husband to you know your kids you are the father you know your job and you do the best you can so life goes very smooth and everybody's happy. Could you know Lotte, Nerolulu Jean Lopramban, and j'ai essayé de trouver joint the Saturday, c'est que de qui do Tatena, do which mean Bekian with the chin, do Kada with a Bekian. Saturday chicken and Napoma Pole, baby, you know that with the Timblon Chijona, the like a log, you must be charged, pay. Very big me, your village power hatchy, big here village, die in that, big here, Jala Lilias. Some kick your big chin, not a Tatea, not a Rosla, Sabton, Yajin, Nam, Nichelu, Channel Kaidan, the she, the Mongolia, La was or the ticket thing and blotted there, Tatena, the Pinyola Patate, the Bush more good. The younger sister go to Monan, we took it to my young people. The could see Chungua. Penero call Camden, which the Hachi Petro Kadaisa. Jibina Shung Ziveri Shajo, she in the town, the Shajo, Shada Timua Mua Fakia, the Fakia, a refugee commissioner. Like tender just be a particular to Bloodena, like to a Saparbe, the Bejalia, Shontambe, Bejalia, Bamuto, the Tevem Bamto, Teaching Guyana, Fagitea, the Baya Draga, Simplifiking and Mudona, to Jana Yada, like Joy. It's a bit of wooden traffic, just be okay. Show me the mobile Santo and Bangkok, totally Ollie Bailey. The Tana Jibi, Mudo teaching Guya. Pemmy teaching Guya, the Koi Kumo memory shop from the teaching Guyana. The Pemuna, the Yakacha, Chitamon de Bana, the Pemzona, the Bay, or Voucher, Hajon, Rungo, Nitsun Rungo, Jatan. Chia, the Johnny John ที่เป็นหมู่ explore หมู่ปอนะที่เขาเลยค่อยเป็นจำเนี่ย有时差跟到จะ泡spring 都看到ไปได้ทางใดนี่ก็เชยหาลงหาชัวทางไหนอยู่ยิ่ง有压力Tom Sawyer ก็side day 不是的啦ก็跟到 during the weekdays 的时候把什么题跟我们对的跟我们是一样的 so very fun 人家的这就会下去像第一个像这就会叫一样 so 到那边跟到จะ泡子不里都去那边今年叫 private school 这样来又可以融合这边在French 和 elementary school system 就是嘛又可以融这样古用我们的比较路外个人个高的边木头个人 which is the yellow capital 那种French 个人那个 department 就有蒙来木个的个人的来 Excel 了是来个的中场没法记得这边呢就 news 呀都那都跟他跟所以过来过一下他跟个法记得头被开了ได้จริงก็อย่างละได้จะฝึกแต่อย่างกูจีนมั่วก็ vision กูจีได้ก็อยากไปย่อแล้วมีแต่ไหนไม่มีไปรอจะไปเจอกับตาเรื่องอะไรจังหวะได้ซะที่กูจีจ่อเป็นหมู่โจได้เจอฝึกได้อร่อยจะเป็นปงดรู้รอหัวชาลงสุดๆนะที่ตอนนั้นว่ามันได้พิมพ์ก็จะว่าจะจังกับ French school system เนี่ย elementary school นะ有一轮有蒙的小姐们整个给他中一种是不是其中有帮上的是嘛都比较把有个的那有这里 feel like 有home 要有这的有都是跟的有个里个是的是嘛这那可能啥一整那的那的哦我这个帮了我这个帮了可帮了look 我这的哎都没帮了我今天做冲的到这碰上了你做累了今天什么就讲到这了开了就这 classmate 哎 listen 弄了可是就那你在的就碰上了等等so it was very encouraging 你把有的那有容易帮上的什么个一块也得有毛事也得有正有的可能有这里你这里去行你这里我当然的所以说我下一项的我对啥的你 maybe you call purpose 是有个有了我能 maybe 有我一定个考模是只讲的八讲能那个能地的做给证明给观众是给毛给了自你们家里了这个要活啥个要我都毛了你查到个头个要那个用不对你个也都包最近的到的今年开了个自己你个也都 very accomplish保持这就打活的那天给在梦的从还从做我很我能还是在透过每个要都 inspire 过出来的我的我也很迷恋的呀我啥个保养可能我人家家的故事讲也都能去讲的这个同你西安的就我的你有啥没干的东西呀depression 这个都跟那个人会融合就讲的有发给了也我朋友都有的嘞我这个跟人的讲面发给跟他是融的我给他们这估计里容易become depressed 这个这里你有啥这 that's why 一个 turning point 一个落差了的同那个这个题一个好给 这给8个国家mu kan da king na kona je ko dum je so study human motivation wo ka yu ta ta de yu la wan na yu yu han cha ya chi ka sa yu a chi ka ya kan chen de king na de ka zhou xie很整个的这个 work to and 也包括attitude 包括 behavior 包括做给啥的呢这个那个我那个到这里和压力没感的 self discipline 也一块毛线呢个保留个你到了个些啥呢这也去摸过有你下来呢你去摸可能偏过保做好给他大家摸来过大家摸偏的过这个摸些个这个到呢这yeah I would not be here as it professional shit that yeah the shimon so 可能一块Olia joy it's a philosopher that Moki Zanila walk to best teacher. Your greatest teacher is your fear and also your suffering. The more care that you got you more share got you to king you guys on your damn year. The colony motivate got Dean got control. The got any ways to walk at the new Muli got in the more. Got the got the king got you to second education you want more knowledge to free yourself and knowledge is power. The information is the language of success. The more information you have, the more come a way to the got so kun hata de cha me kate na to ku chika fa kate no cha te cha me kate anything is possible ya me te cha ni mo kan dream come true ya ya yi chen na ka a de mo sa ya yi ka a so yi to ni ya so cha che la pun yi da wa chi la yi wa ta ya ka mo kan dream you can believe and you work hard for it je ke ya to sa so kun ya de ku lo lo sa chi kan we believe yes I'm going to be in the US go make it happen 我头我的从来我的等我过一chung so 到这个了je I finally 我希望就no 一下的了呀也不知那种办我对呢 so 我 took a time more than 雷波和日节对的呢 dream 这样就能够当成这样finally 弄得真的老还是说老到但是谁过有一家的 so 古啥看不说一家的呢 so 过看就走看不说过有么的老的 so 古的里more of you的上了的人古可古年差不多嘛古 believe 就可以 power of positive thinking ที่กูขอ optimism เนี่ยเดี๋ยวรู้ว่านั่งอยากได้เนี่ยลงตัวสั้นอยู่มอเช่แล้วอยู่ do the right thing จะเนี่ยจะลงตัวสั้นจะเนี่ยมั่วอย่าง giant power within อยู่รู้มาเนี่ยอยู่รู้เชื่อรู้บอดี้อยู่มอเช่แต่เนี่ยคนนั้นเนี่ย awaken คน giant within and บ้าก็ตัวอยู่ no matter what จะเกี่ย barrier ที่นั่นเนี่ยเกี่ยนั่นอยู่จะ overcome ก็ตอนเป็น dream being the doctor first see myself not a white coat having good diploma then a large in war then so yeah I live like a pretending like a good doctor talking to my patients every day and so that's who I am what I am right now so near dream then you realize so that's come true yeah